What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and today we are finally doing these donut glazed nails. You guys, I know in the previous video when I told you guys that I was going to be doing these, I was supposed to upload pictures, and I did. I think I may have already told you guys, I'm not sure, but you guys, the video, it got deleted and I had to redo it, and I forgot to upload the pictures. So I'm gonna do it on this one. I'm gonna show you guys the pictures that she sent me, and then you guys are gonna see the end result. That I did, it's like the donut glazed nails look kind of translucent, and they have a little bit of a chrome look to them as well. So it's like, it's a little crazy. So I did it on a swatching stick, and I did a layer of polish, and then a layer of hard gel, and then the top coat, the chrome, and then another layer of hard gel. And when I did it that way, it looked really good. I don't know if you guys will be able to see these, but these are how they looked. Is it gonna focus? It never focuses. But anyways, so that's neither here nor there. So when I did her nails, I did the same order, except for instead of doing a layer of hard gel and then the chrome and then another layer of hard gel, I did a layer of top coat, the chrome, and then the layer of hard gel, and it just didn't look 100% perfect like it would have if I would have just done it the original way that I decided. But that's neither here nor there. Oh, I got a text from my boyfriend, so I gotta send him a snap back. Okay. Anyways, so yeah, that's how that works. So anyways, we're gonna go in. We did use Rosalind gel polish. It's number 01, but their numbers are not really the numbers. So it's just this color that's like a little translucent, and it's kind of like a top beige color. She really likes that color, but it looks very natural. It has like a slight hue of pink, a very, very slight hue of pink. As you can see, she's really excited. And I was doing her prep, and she gonna start using her phone. I had to tell her, girl, get your hand over here, because girl, that's gonna make your nails get ruined. She's like, it does. I'm like, yes. I have. One time I saw a girl doing that. I was like, I'm just gonna let her use her phone. It's no big deal. The two nails, these two popped off. Girl, that's because you was using your phone when I was doing the prep. So anyways, I want you guys to go ahead and smash that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and comment down below. Goddess Gang up in this beat. And if you're part of Notification Gang, go ahead and comment Notification Gang down below. And if you're part of my giveaway, Spam for Spam giveaway 2.0 edition, then I'm gonna need you to drop a yin and yang emoji down in the comments below, because you are gonna earn tickets if you're the first to drop that emoji in the comments. It's lit over here. So yeah, this video is pretty short, you guys. It's pretty sweet and to the point. She had come one day to get her removal, and then the next day she came to get her nails done. So I did you guys the removal video separately so that it wouldn't be too long, and I like how that turned out. So this is the color by Rosalind. Shout out to Rosalind. As you guys know, you can always save on Rosalind with my discount code. You just gotta DM me, because Rosalind sends me like the discount code via DM, and then they expire. So just DM me. But yeah, I think, yeah, shout out to V. I was trying to remember what brand it was, but shout out to V. She got a collaboration opportunity with Rosalind. Girl, she is part of the elite Goddess Gang, and she's also a participant in our Goddess Gang giveaway, the Spam for Spam 2.0 edition. And I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get on a Zoom call with that girl and be like, listen, sis, and you guys are gonna see her on my channel. I'm gonna make the template up for us. We supposed to be lit. You guys, we're gonna be having contests, okay? I'm gonna be announcing the contest. I am announcing, so I wanna go ahead and announce to you guys the official prize winnings for our giveaway, because I know you guys are not really, like, y'all have told me y'all don't really get the giveaway very much, which I don't get it, but this may be motivational or like inspiring for you guys to see what you can actually win. I know a lot of times when there's a giveaway, you just see the prize and you simply just like or follow or share, and then that's it. This is not that kind of giveaway. This is an interactive giveaway, and I have to be quick because I know that we're not going to be here that long. So without further ado, give me a moment to load the page. And whenever you are going to use Unichrome or any Chrome, I would suggest that you really make sure you get all of the tacky layer off of the nail, because it will ruin it. If not, of course you can always take it off, but you want a very seamless, beautiful look. She was freaking out. She's like, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I was like, I know, girl. It was so pretty. Okay. So this is the official prize list, you guys. Now, you probably heard on a previous video that I have informed you guys of how it works, and I think on the next video I'm gonna navigate the website with you guys once I publish these last few pages that I haven't published. I gotta make the page for the contests, which I'm really excited about. I'm so excited. So I'm thinking, I don't want to tell you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. I think I'm going to just do mood boards, and then we're going to like create a set inspired off of the mood board. I haven't fully decided. Don't judge me. I'm drinking coffee. Don't judge me. All right, so it's loading. All right. So for giveaway winner number 1, you guys can go onto my blog site to see the rankings and everything, but that prize value is between $200 and $250, and you guys have the opportunity to win the Young Nails Pro Core Acrylic Kit. You also have the opportunity to win the Young Nails Instant Studio Kit, which is, I believe, gel polish based. There are other gifts that you could win, like Born Pretty 50-piece gel polish and manicure beginner's kit and things like that. So that off rip, if anyone would have given me the opportunity to win a Young Nails kit, like that would have been so cool. I can't tell you guys everything because the video is going to end soon, but I'm gonna publish this page, you guys. Well, by the time you see this video, it's already published. So on the next video, we are gonna go together through it. It's just making me so excited. I want to take a break because I'm literally so excited. So all right, so anyways, we're going in with our hard gel over top of our Unichrome, and that's what's giving it like this glazed look, because the Unichrome is underneath that hard gel, which the hard gel gives it depth, and I just thought it looked so good. Now, yeah, I think it looked really good, but in the end result, after I put the top coat on there, I just wished I would have done that one extra layer of hard gel beneath the Unichrome so that it could have had more depth. And this hard gel has a pink tone to it as well, so it was just I'm just so happy. You guys literally did not file these, did not buff them, nothing. Like, just laid them on the nails, top coated them, and we were finished, which it was like such a guilty feeling. And then she's like, they look really natural. I'm like, girl, they are natural. These are her natural nails. So that was really exciting too, to do her nails on her natural nails, you know. The removal is much more easy when it's on the natural nail, and there's just gel polish instead of gel products instead of acrylic. So that was nice. So anyways, how'd you guys like this? Tell me what you think of the end result, because I'm literally so excited, and I don't think I did perfect, obviously, but I think I did good for my first time. And I know you guys remember when I told you about this, right? And we were sitting here talking, and she's like, yeah, something about how she asked me if I knew how to do it. And I'm like, I'll figure it out. She's like, you're going to figure out how to do it, huh? I was like, girl, I told them that. I was like, I told you, yeah, I know how to do it. But on the real, I'm just going to figure it out. And that's what we did. We sat there and we did the swatch sticks together and we figured it out. And it worked out well. So also, if you guys know the technical way to do this, let me know in the comments, because if I did good, like I didn't do any research. I did all of this based on like what I saw and how I thought I would be able to create it with what I had. But you guys can feel free to comment and let me know, first off, how do you think I did? But second off, what is the technical way to create this look? It does look good. I wanted her to get a more of a nude color, but she chose this color, which ended up looking really pretty. It was hard to choose. That was the hardest part, was like, what color should we do it? But anyways, I love you guys so much. Be sure to drop comments down below. Let me know what you think. And head over to my blog, www.scorpiongoddessnails.blog, and enter my giveaway so you can win prizes. I love you guys so much. Ahala. Peace.